Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to open up a character map in Windows. So this is pretty straightforward and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So want to open up the start menu, just left click on the start button one time. Type in CHAR map. Best match should come back with character map. Go ahead and left click on that one time. You can go click on whatever characters you want to copy and then select the select button, and then you can just go ahead and copy it from here and then paste it into whatever text file or wherever you want to paste the characters. That should be fine. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.